it's me, Bunnybun. Are you ready to count from 1 to 20? Let's hop into fun and learn together. Let's start. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job, friends. You're amazing. Now, are you ready to sing our number song together?
Let's count from 1 to 5. Come along and feel alive. 1 is the sun up in the sky. 2 red apples, juicy and high. 3 little ducks that love to quack. 4 bright balloons in a big stack. 5 pretty flowers growing tall. Now you counted, you did it all. Let's count from 6 to 10. Let's clap our hands and count again. 6 little cars that go beep beep. 7 storybooks before you sleep. 8 swimming fish that wiggle fast. 9 yummy ice creams made to last. 10 teddy bears are soft and sweet. Count with me, tap your feet. Let's go higher, 11 to 15. Numbers dancing on the screen. 11 ladybugs crawl in a line. 12 butterflies flap just fine. 13 cookies, yum, yum, yum. 14 rainbows, here they come. 15 pencils to write and draw. Numbers are cool, hooray, hurrah. Now we count from 16 to 20. Sing along, we're having plenty. 16 shoes for running around. 17 hearts with a happy